Just real quickly before we install Windows operating system into a new machine, I just want to show you guys how a computer looks like inside a case. Here's the power supply, DVD drives, hard drive, DVD drive. Here's the motherboard stuck to the case. Usually for the power supply you need to screw this stuff in right here. 2, 3, 4. All power supplies are the same. For the motherboard, usually you have to have this panel right here. Then it has screws. One screw right here. 2, 3, 4. Basically just sticks it right on right on the case. The hard drive right here. You have the left, which you can have some screws in there to stick this in. Also for the DVD drive right here, just screw it in. So usually this is how a case looks like when you screw all that stuff in after you have connected it. And then all you have to do is just put in some type of cover on it and it should be alright.